If you're feeling exhausted and you want to gain energy, you want to gain motivation, and you want to do simple strategies that'll take you 1, 2, maximum of 5 minutes, then you need to spend the day with us.
Yes. If you're feeling overwhelmed or scrambling to get to the end of the year, we can give you some quick hacks to get you through. We can give you some ideas and some hints and some strategies to take that time for you, and also be able to say no to others when you need to. Then come spend the day with us. If you're rocking it and on top of things and want to finish the year on a high with a big dose of pep and energy and inspiration, then come and spend the day with us. We are having a one-day workshop, our last for the year, on the 12th of December, 10 till 3.
Imagine this. If you get to the end of the year and you've got more energy, you've got more clarity, and you've got the ability to ease into that holiday mode or just wind down quicker than you would usually, then you can reset, recharge, and get yourself all revived and pepped up for next year.
Yes.
You're going to be able to do that if you spend the day with us. You're going to be able to get there quicker, less painfully, and with a whole lot more fun than you would otherwise.
So grab your spot to our one-day online event coming up real soon, 12th of December, 10 till 3. Grab your ticket now. Do not miss out on this extra dose that you can put into your life in little short bursts to get you through to the end of the year on a high and rocking it for your break time and going through next year. Make sure you save your seat. And the best thing ever, you get to spend a whole day with us, which is usually around $9.97 to spend the whole day with us. But you get it for only $77. That's right, only $77 to spend the day with us, to get these simple hacks, this dose of inspiration, this amazing amount of strategies that you can get in a whole day with us. Book your seat. Do not miss out. Make sure you secure your seat now.
And we will see you in that day with us, 10 till 3, December 12th, AEDT. Come online, click that link, and we will see you in there, and you'll be buzzing, and you'll be on top of things before you know it, and you can take back your time, take back control of the world, and it is all yours.
Yes.
And we'll see you in there.
Fantastic.